Well, here's a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette that is a beautiful car. It's going to turn heads, and it's going to turn them quickly as you fly by. This is a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 1LT Coupe Supercharged 650 horsepower. My goodness, what a car this is. It is blade silver on the exterior. It has a custom black and red interior. The color combinations on this car are fantastic. And under the hood, as we mentioned, you'll find a 650 horsepower supercharged LT1 engine. The car has an 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission and posi rear end. Factory features include the Z51 Performance package. This includes performance brakes, black brake calipers, slotted brake rotors, dry sump oiling, specific suspension, special front and rear wheels and tires, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, performance gear ratios, aero package, and multi-mode exhaust. The car has magnetic selective ride control, carbon flash badge package, black wheels, red brake caliper override, carbon flash painted rear spoiler and side mirrors, and it also has the Bose 9-speaker XM MP3 USB stereo with steering wheel controls, has dual power seats, remote start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start, of course dual electronic climate control, HID headlights, and of course rear view mirror, and of course everything on this car is power as well. Comes with a clean Carfax and some really great performance accessories and some nice standalone options. This 2017 Corvette Stingray shows just 21,635 miles. It's in good condition. The paint, the factory wheels are beautiful, and this is just a beautiful car. You need to take a look at it, take a careful look at it here on our video, and also check out the beautiful photos on our website, and then give one of our sales representatives a call here at biovet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Our number 770-414-5552. Biovet.net. Subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and be sure to click the notification button, and you'll get a little ding every time a new Corvette comes up on our showroom floor, and that happens almost daily. So anyway, we're biovet.net in Atlanta, Georgia, and we hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. We'll see you real soon.